Today, after a decade of research and development, thousands of hours of prototype operations, and several design patents, Timberjack has brought this technology one step further with a purpose-built prototype for heavy equipment applications. There are many benefits to walking technology. A walking machine has the ability to move in all directions and to turn on the spot, forwards and backwards, sideways and diagonally. This versatility allows it to move into very confined spaces. The walking machine adapts automatically to the terrain to keep the carrier level on uneven ground. Responding to sensor input, the machine distributes its weight evenly over the ground and finds a base of support for each of the 6 legs, resulting in incredible stability and optimal weight distribution. Depending on the irregularity of the ground, operators can adjust both the ground clearance of the machine and the height of each step. It has exact positioning and spot contact with the ground. It steps only where desired. And it has the ability to step over obstacles. Other types of wheel or track machines can boast some of these abilities, but cannot perform in the challenging terrain that the walking machine can.